around to see this cute cloud craft that we did, and we didn't know what to call it, but it turned out pretty cool. So you want to see this? Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
What's up, everybody? I am Cheryl, the activity author, and you are back with another craft for Craft Month, aka National Craft Month. All right, so we was just playing around, got some white construction paper, started cutting out some clouds, and then we were like, ooh, we got these rainbow popsicle sticks from Dollar Tree that we never used, so let's make a cloud that's shooting out rainbows using the popsicle sticks, right? So that's what we ended up doing. We had a vision and we executed, and it turned out pretty nice, I guess. So just look at this video and see if you guys can recreate the same thing or do your own version of it. But yeah, check this out. Y'all might like this. So you still watching? That's what's up. Well, while you are watching, please make sure you click that like button and then scroll over to that subscribe button and hit that notification so you know every time I post, because I'm posting a different video every single day and I'm sporadic with it, so you never know when I'm posting. So hit that notification bell. All right, so we're finishing up. We're gonna go ahead and continue to layer, and the good thing about this is it's teaching my daughter the primary colors of the rainbow. So it's like a pattern, like a memory game. So that's another way that this craft can help your child, because it teaches them the order and sequence of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Well, friends, that is all for this creative craft that I have for you today. Make sure you guys still hit that like button. I know you did it by now, but make sure you double check. And also check out my other videos, because like I said, a different video every day. And I also have like about 50 videos already up here. So scroll through and find something else to watch, okay? And I'll see y'all tomorrow with another video. Bye.